Good evening, everyone. Am I
Good
audible?
evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Okay.
Good
Yeah.
evening, sir.
Okay. Good evening. Good evening. So we will wait for 5 minutes for others to join, and then we will start. Right. So in the meantime, if anybody has doubts, you can ask me as well.
Hello, Mohit.
Yes, Pushpa Rao.
I tried to do yesterday's animation video, but पता नहीं कहाँ से कहाँ क्या क्या हो गया. Something else came out.
Yesterday's animation video, like,
हाँ, but what happened was no, I tried to get that only, but I think I think I clicked the wrong button. कुछ
link.
तो हुआ, हाँ. So
Yeah.
something else came out. So I think by tomorrow morning, I think I'll be able to send you the animation.
Mhm. Okay. Okay. No worries.
Okay.
Okay. आपने तो स्क्रीन रैक जो था वो डाउनलोड कर लिया था ना सही से?
नहीं पता नहीं मैंने क्या किया वो आई एक्चुअली स्टार्टेड आई एक्चुअली स्टार्टेड विद दिस एनिमेशन ओनली आई वांटेड टू डू पता
Okay,
नहीं
you
क्या
are
हुआ.
creating that video.
हाँ वही तो ना. वांटेड टू
Okay.
क्रिएट द वीडियो तो वो क्रिएट करते करते आई थिंक आई मस्ट हैव क्लिक्ड ऑन समथिंग एल्स तो पता नहीं एक
Yes,
से एक
yes.
जुड़ के पता नहीं क्या हो गया.
No, you can try it out, and if you face the doubts, you
ओके.
can send it to me as well.
आई
Okay,
विल डू.
on WhatsApp, and what your issue, I will just try to resolve it there.
श्योर श्योर श्योर. टुमारो आई विल सेंड इट टू यू.
Yeah, sure.
थैंक यू मोहित.
Sir,
Yes,
I actually tried the yesterday's topic, like digital marketing,
yes,
the content writing topic, and I have
yes.
almost done that.
Very nice. Very
Yes,
good.
sir. Somewhere I feel that सबटाइटल्स अगर मैं क्लिक करती हूँ तो वो साथ में वो पैराग्राफ है ना, वो
Huh.
वो भी मतलब बड़ा हो जाता है, पता नहीं क्यों. भले ही
See,
उसमें बहुत ज्यादा स्पेसेस भी हैं.
yes, yes. See, I told you all that we will not use the subtitle one anywhere and never. Haven't I told?
Not the subtitle one. Yeah, I tried the heading or a heading to
Yeah, heading
heading
and subheading,
marketing.
it will increase the size because they are the headings. Okay, you can see my screen. See, and
नहीं
this is a
मतलब
title.
अगर एक हेडिंग को मुझे बनाना है ना तो मुझे बस वो हेडिंग ही बड़ा चाहिए, लेकिन वो साथ
टेक्स्ट
में ना
नहीं बड़ा
मतलब
चाहिए.
ये जो टेक्स्ट भी है वो भी बड़ा होता है साथ में, पता नहीं क्यों.
Okay,
इतना
so
स्पेसेस है
see.
उसके बीच में फिर भी बड़ा होता है
Hmm.
उसके साथ साथ.
Yes, yes. See, see. Have you started your text from this line itself or the next line? This,
नेक्स्ट लाइन ओनली.
like this one.
यस यस.
Then just select this one, and if it is still happening, do one thing. Here, click here and press enter. After pressing the enter, just select this one. Okay, like this. Okay, not the second line, not any other spaces, nothing. Just select this one, and then try to do this. It will happen.
ओके सर, थैंक यू. सर वेयर टू सेंड दैट, हाउ
Uh,
टू सेंड दैट
yes, yes.
टू,
That's our
आई
today's
थिंक
topic.
सेड.
That's our today's topic.
यस यस.
Okay.
यस सर.
Okay. Any other doubts? We have 1 or 2 minutes left. We can take the doubts.
Sir, can you please tell me about a screen recording app? What you to tell in yesterday class? I don't understand that.
Okay. Yes, sure. And yes, Gayatri, this thing can also be used in sites like Quora. And yes, there are some practices as well. Like I am giving you the brief of the things, You are doing all the things. But if we go particularly, deep depth in one topic, then yes, we have a lot to understand. And Quora is also a part of content writing as well. Basically, not yes, Quora is a part of content writing, but we use that as a search engine optimization. That is today's topic. Okay, I will tell about it how. And see, somebody's doubt was about the screen rack. See, this is the screen rack. I just clicked it, and after clicking, you will see the pop up here. Just give it a minute. Let me click it again. Yes, it's open. Just close it and see here below. I am seeing this screen rack pop up. Let me do it here, and let's go to the animaker. Okay, just keep your video in a full size. Okay, so we have the video here. Let's keep it in the full size. After that, this one is from the starting. Okay, just drag it back. Okay, like this. This is from the starting. Click on the screen rack here. Not click, basically put your cursor on that and you will see this one. This video start recording. Click on that. Drag means select the area that you wanted to include in your recording. So I selected this area only and not the below one with the watermark. And after that, here we have the option that is camera and mic, and also camera is on off, mic is on. Then it is recording the video. I will just play the video here. Also remember, this is your mic. So if you are speaking something during the recording, it will also record. So you can just keep it mute as well. Okay, like this, and only the device audio recording. After doing that, this complete video, just click on this stop recording and download the video. It will be saved in your computer. Clear, Vedamurthy?
Hi, Mohit. I just joined 2 minutes back. Is it the
Yes.
same subject that we're talking, or a new topic we have started?
It's the same subject from the
That
yesterday.
animaker and that cartoon video, right?
Yeah, how to record that thing. Okay.
Okay,
It,
okay. Because
it
I
was
thought
the
if I missed something to ask you.
yeah, sure. Okay, so
Sir,
clear
we
everyone?
have
Let us start.
print. Sir,
Yes.
sir, we have print screen on the laptop. So how it is different or same from the screen recorder?
See, there are a lot of screen recorders. It is just a tool that I have shared. Nothing else. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. So I think we should start now with today's topic. With Murthy, your mic is on. Please keep it mute when you are not speaking. Okay. So yes, let's start with the today's topic. So, how many of you done with the content writing part yesterday? Have you created some content on some topic? Type it in the chats. Who have created something? Okay, Gayatri have created. Very nice. What about others? Sai also created. Nelima. Yes, on Delhi. Very nice. And what about others? Have you created something?
Mohit, I'll
Yes,
give you.
sir. Shared it in a WhatsApp. So we
Okay.
shared it.
Okay.
I'll give you tomorrow, Mohit.
Yes. Shweta on SIP. Very good. Please share your topic as well here in the chats. Okay. Try to share it in the chats. Again, Manisha not yet. Will do. Okay. Places to visit in Hyderabad. Very nice, Gayatri. Digital marketing. Good. So, nice. I think we should can start with the today's one. Now, see, when I say something to create it, you must take it serious to create it that day. And why is that so? Because see, I'm giving also the time to create it. Try to create it in the class as well. If you have 10 minutes, so you can just explore it, or you can create two paragraphs, three paragraphs. Now the thing is, what we are going to do today is the one that you can only do when you have a content ready. If you don't have a content ready, you cannot do it. Okay, so just see the things, what I'm going to do. You can do it later on. And I request you all to do complete the homeworks till today. Okay, the one I will give today. Complete it by tomorrow, because tomorrow we will have a topic that is also a new one. So, see, we have created this one. Now, there is a thing about the content marketing. Okay, we are doing the content writing. We have written the content, but there is also a term that is content marketing. That is on your syllabus as well about this one, content marketing. So, the thing is, see, this fifth point, if we can read, like for detailed insight on the global market index, please visit our blog. So it is directing a user to go to some place. Okay, it is directing the user to go somewhere that, say, this one, visit our blog. What will happen is, if I see this one and I wanted to read more about this one, I will go to that blog, and when I go to that blog, what will happen is that is a content marketing, because I'm doing the marketing through my content. Like with this content, with the help of this content, I have gained the traffic on my another website, right? On my another website or on my product. Let's suppose there is a product, I can say, if you wanted to buy this product, click on that link. And if somebody clicked and buy the product, so that is also a content marketing. Basically, you can say when we are doing the marketing, when we are awareing the people or doing the awareness of our product or services through this text based, then it is a content marketing. The term is clear, everyone? Term is clear?
Yes.
Right? Yeah.
Yes, Mohit.
Okay, nice. See, please do, say yes, no, thumbs up, anything. That
Your
will be,
acknowledgement makes you feel nice. No?
yeah, because we are in the online class, I'm not able to read your faces, right? When we are in the offline, what happens is, we have this institute. So when we teach someone, when we teach a group, there are some person who join us online, some are who join us offline. So I request them also to come offline. What happens is, in the offline, I can see their face if they are understanding it or not. But if you are in online, you have to give the answers to me so that I can know if you have or not. Understand that? Think, okay.
Sure, sure.
Avnish, you can ask the question after the topic, please. Okay. See, and so here we will not write this line, because this is the one that I have written here to understand you something. So that's why I'm deleting it again. And why is it so? Because we are not marketing someone other's website. We are doing this all for our own website. Now after that, we have this content written here, 6 points, and then at the last we will write the frequently asked questions and all. And you can do this. So let's suppose I am just copying and pasting it directly so that we can have something here. Okay, you don't have to do this. Like, I'm just trying it to explain you something. Now see, this FAQs, this will be a heading. What will be this heading? Heading 1 or heading 2? You tell me. It will be a heading 1 title or heading 2?
Heading
Heading
2.
2. Heading 2.
Heading
2, 2. Okay, nice. But this will be a heading 1. That is why I do this. See, heading 1. And why is that so? you can see on your left hand, see, we have this interesting facts about the stock market. That is a heading 1. Inside it, we have the subheading. So we take that as heading 2. And below, we are starting a new topic, that is the FAQ. So we have done this with the heading 1. And inside it, if we have subheadings, we will take them as heading 2. Okay, not heading 3 or heading 1. Clear the point here? What I was trying to say, that whenever we start a new topic, we will take it as a heading 1. Let's suppose after this we write here benefits of stock market. Okay, I'm writing just here. So it will be heading which should what one, which one should I choose here? Anyone?
Heading 2.
Heading 1.
Okay. Heading 2, heading 1. We will choose heading 1 because we are doing with the new topic, not with the current topic. No? Clear? I think it will be clear now more. Okay, so
And what's the use of heading 3, sir?
that is a heading of a subheadings heading. Means we have this 6th point. Let's suppose inside it we have 2 more points inside it. Then we will choose for the heading 3. Okay. Now let's start with the next part, that is today's topic. See, today we will do 2 things. One is we will see how to publish our blog. Okay, we will create a website as well. And second, we will see how to rank our blog on the Google. Means these blogs that we are writing up, how to make them rank on the Google. So that is a part of search engine optimization, means SEO. You might have heard the term SEO, search engine optimization. But what it is? Anybody knows about what is SEO? Or anybody heard about the term SEO?
Yes, sir. Only the full form, search engine optimization.
Only the full form. Okay,
Yeah.
good.
It is something
Basically, it will
Sir,
refine your search,
One
and
by
and
one.
when you search on the Google, it will be on on the top of the
The top of
search.
the search. Very nice. Very nice, Kamal.
It's a paid
And,
digital marketing.
no, ma'am. It's not a paid
Yes.
digital marketing.
It's an
Okay.
organic way of growing your
Organic.
website.
Very
Okay.
nice. Who said this word organic?
I said, John Prakash, I said
John
organic way
Prakash.
of growing a website.
Very nice, John.
You
Okay.
don't need to pay
Exact
anything for it.
correct
If you do
answer.
as per Google's conditions, it optimizes and gives the your website on the top list.
Yeah. The website will be on the top. Now
When
see.
people search, our website will come first. If we do as per the conditionalities and the algorithms given by Google.
Very good. Very good. Nice. So
Thank
see.
you, sir.
Gayatri also done very nice. See. What is a search engine optimization? You can take out the notes as well. Okay, I will be telling you some theory about it and we will do the practical as well. So the first thing is search engine optimization, but in this term we have a term search engine. So what is a search engine? So search engine is a website. Okay, you can just type out, you can write out as well, take the notes. That search engine is a website where we search for the content. Clear? Where we search for the content. Like we have Google. So Google is a website, you can say, and here if we search something like what is SEO, and if we search it, so it is a search engine. It is happening through a search engine. So search engine is a website which help us to get the other websites and to get the information available on the internet. Clear? Clear everyone, what is a search engine? And here we have so many of the search engines. That is one of the famous and the top search engine in the world, you can say, is Google. Right? Everybody go to Google. We have other search engines are like Yahoo. You might have heard the name. Okay. Yahoo. Also, we have a
Yes.
search engine that is Bing. Bing is also a search engine that is from the Microsoft. Like, see this one. This is my Bing. I can show you the interface. So it is a Bing search engine. If we search here anything like same what is SEO, we also get the information here as well. So it is also a search engine. Now, when we search anything on the Google, we have this front page, right? We have this front page. We have the searches here. We have the next page as well. We have the search results here. So we call this page as a search engine result page. What we call this as? Search engine result page. SERP. Clear? These two terms are clear, search engine and search engine result page. Just say thumbs up.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. So the next is search engine optimization. So see, we have published our website. Now to rank our website on the Google means we have to optimize our website so that it appears on the search engine here on the top search engine result page or in the first page. So to optimize that, we use the term search engine optimization. Simple. But what is the meaning? What is this search engine optimization? What is the definition? So you can write it down, everyone. What is SEO? Okay, you can write out that is search engine optimization for SEO is a technique or a practice. SEO is a technique or a practice that help us to rank our website, or to increase the traffic or to increase the traffic on our website organically. Okay, again I'm repeating, and it's a request that I am hoping that all of you are writing, so that's why I'm dictating the definitions. That is, search engine optimization is a practice or a technique that help us to rank our website on the Google. Sorry, to rank our website or to increase the traffic on our website organically. Okay, clear? Everyone, definition is done. Now what is the meaning? See, like I said, to rank our website on the Google or to rank our website on the search engine, we use this practice. Basically, SEO is a practice or a technique. Okay, we do some practices on our website, we do some practices on inside our blog, anything, a technique you can say or a practice you can say. Now what happens is, with those techniques, Google sees our blogs, Google reads out the everything, and then on the basis of those practices and techniques, we get the ranking on the Google. Or okay, first thing is we get the ranking on the Google, and one is more people will visit our website as well if they are seeing our website on the top of the page, right? So the second term that I said, to increase the traffic on our website. Traffic is basically users we have. And at the last, we have the term word here, organically. So never forget the word organically in the SEO. Okay? Never forget it. And why is that so? Because if we don't add because organic means here natural and free thing. Okay, we are not paying anything to any search engine to rank our website. If we are paying someone to rank our website, means if you are paying to Google to rank your website, then it is a search engine marketing, not a search engine optimization. Clear? Everyone? Thumbs up?
Yes,
Yes?
Mohit.
So here we have three types of SEO. Okay, write it down and then we will do the practical as well. We have three types of SEO, search engine optimization. One is on page. Okay, on page, O and on page, SEO. I can type it here. Yes. Just a second. Okay, on page SEO. Then we have second, off page SEO, and third is technical SEO. Clear? Three types of SEO. Now the first is on page SEO. What it is? So on page SEO means when we are working on our own website. Okay, we have this our web blog, we have this our website that we will create. So when we are working on our website, that comes under the on page SEO. Like if we are doing any practice or we are doing any technique to rank our website on the Google, and we are doing those practices on our website, then it comes under the on page SEO. Clear? And the second is off page SEO. That means, let's see, this is our website. We are just taking that as an example. We have this website. So when we are working on this, it is a on page SEO. But if we are going outside the website, like suppose we are going to a third website or this one, anyone, then it is a off page SEO. Simple term, on page, off page means outside the website, outside your blog. Clear? You have written those two terms, on page and SEO. Nice. In off page SEO, also write one more thing, that is, in off page SEO, we create backlinks. Okay, backlinks. Just type, note down the word backlinks. This is the spelling. Backlinks. In off page SEO, we create the backlinks. Now the backlink is means we copy our blog or we copy our website link and we paste it to another website. So that is a backlink, because if someone goes to that website and they see our website's link, if they click on that, they will redirect or they will be directed to our website. So that is also a term of to increase the traffic basically, because if a traffic is here, like if you can see here, and that was a point of, yes, see this one point. It says for detailed insight on the global market index, visit our blog. So we are visiting this blog, but if we click on this one, what is happening? It is redirecting us to another blog. That means if I wanted to read out that one, I clicked it and they have getting the traffic to our other blog. So that is a backlink. Clear, everyone? Both the terms, on page, off page. Last, we have the technical. And the technical is means in technical SEO, okay, write it down. That is, in technical SEO, we work we work on the technicalities and functionalities. We work on the technicalities and functionalities of the website. Clear? In technical SEO, we work on the technicalities and functionalities of the website. Like, if I can explain to you, see, this is our website. You open that. Now you can see the logo is here. The login process is here. We have these points are here. If we scroll down, we have these two segregated here. Then we have a complete layout, right? Like which link to add where and which option to add where. So let's suppose if I click on the education point opens up here. If I click on the MSME workshops opened here. And if we click on the success stories opened up. So basically These are the technicalities and functionalities of the website. Means if you click on something and if you are seeing something, it opens correctly. Okay, it should not be like you clicked on services part and about us is opening. If you clicked on contact us part, gallery is opening. It should not be like that. Or if you click some option, it is not working. Clear? All three terms, three types of SEO. Nice. So the next we have, see, this is the theory. Now let's come out. We have the, now what we will do is we will do a top point and we will do the practical side by side. So you can write down like on page SEO, because we are doing the things now in on page, like what comes under the on page. Okay, you can type it out, note it out, like what practices comes under the on page SEO. And the first of them is meta tags. First of them is meta tags. This one, meta tags. This meta is not the Facebook's meta. It is something. It is different. Okay. Meta tags. So meta tags are the relevant and, okay, note down and then we will see what are the meta tags. Okay, just note down that meta tags are the relevant and important words. Meta tags are the important and relevant words that we highlight in our blog. Okay, again, meta tags are the relevant and important words that we highlight in our blog, such as, by highlighted I mean bold, italics, or underline. Okay, we are highlighting it, like if we do something bold, if we do highlight, italics or underline, so that will be a highlighted part. So that is a meta tag. Now let's see how to create a meta tag. Okay, how to create a meta tag. Now it's a practical thing. We will see it. See, our topic is stock market. Now, Indian stock market. Sorry, our topic is Indian stock market. Now, like I said, meta tags are the relevant and important words. So those relevant and important words should be related to this topic only. Like here, if you can see, an intriguing location is the stock market. So here we can bold this one. Okay, we will only do the bold to create the meta tags. So I highlighted the word stock market. Numerous men have made significant gains and losses attempting the inner workings and forecast its erratic emotions. The volatility contributes. This volatility contributes to the allure of the stock market, which attract the million of investors every day who want to become wealthy. Now, what are the relevant words here? This attempting, volatility, losses or gains, anything. So here, investors is the most important word because it is also important and it is also relevant. Same with wealthy, because people go to invest in stock market to become a wealthy person. Now here, let's say next line, if we have seen, so here we are not able to see any options, but here we have investing option term. Investing option. I just highlighted it again, control V or just go to this one. Now here, which word is the most relevant, which we can include as a meta tag? Can anybody explain? One more thing, in meta tags, we will not cover the dates and years unless and until they are as a part of a law or this is a rule. Like if we can say, and there is a rule of income tax 80A or income tax act or companies act 2013. So in that case we will highlight this complete companies act 2013. That is a part of complete word. So here we have the first stock exchange. So here we have the word first, word stock exchange, right?
Market capitalization, COVID-19.
and market capitalization where is here, right? But before that, we
Yeah, in the
have,
second paragraph, second line.
see, first we will go to the first paragraph, then second, then third. Okay. See, here we have Harshad Mehta. Harshad Mehta's name everybody knows about the stock market. Who is in the stock market or who also not, they might know about the Harshad Mehta, who he was. Okay, and here we have SEBI, Stock Exchange Board of India, right? That's the one, thing, one department you can say who controls the entire stock exchange, the rules and all. If it is in the stock market topic, it should be highlighted. It should be a meta tag. Next is that you were saying market capitalization. So BSC is market capitalization, but yeah, see, capitalization is a word that we can bold, but not the complete one, market capitalization or BSC's market capitalization. Because here we take the words that have a meaning to relate it to stock market only. So capitalization and stock market are related, but market capitalization is kind of a definition thing, a thing that we say something to someone like their market capitalization is like that, their markets thing is like that. But this is a normal word, like you can say a helping word, you can say, to complete a sentence. Okay, where COVID-19 is a one important one. Clear? So is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Like what is a stock, what is a meta tag, how to create it, what are the relevant words. Now see here, we have 7 crore, but 7 crore registered users, but we will not cover it because it is a data something, or it is kind of a thing related to helping word. Now you will understand it more better with the next thing that I'm telling you, that is why create meta tags. Now see, why create meta tags is, you can just understand it, just listen to me and don't need to write it as well, or it is your call if you wanted to. See, why create meta tags is, we have a, Google has a tool, Google has a robot, or Google has a bot, basically you can say, that is crawler. 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 You can write down this word, crawler. It is important one. So Google has a tool or a bot that is crawler. What it does is it goes to the all the website that are available on the Google and fetches their data and store it in its server. Simple, it is storing that in its server. So when crawler is storing that, it stores in two parts. One is only the meta tags. In, you can say, two buckets it stores. So in one bucket it stores only these meta tags. Okay, and in the second bucket it stores the entire data, this complete blog. It do it for all the websites. Now what happens is, I go to Google and I search here. Let's suppose I searched here capitalization. Okay.
Ah,
When I searched a word on the Google or something on the
okay.
Google.
நான் கிளாஸ் இருக்கு அவனை நாளைக்கு 6:30 வந்துட சொல்லு.
Okay, so when I search something on the Google, what happens is crawler goes to its bucket and sees the meta tags, like which word I searched, and it sees that in the meta tags bucket, and then sees which blogs are connected to those meta tags. And after connection, after seeing all the things, after all the process, it shows us the topic here. It shows us the answers here. It shows us the results here. Okay, so that is a meta tag. Now what happens is, let's suppose if somebody search, uh, yeah, rule of 72. Now see, here we have the rule of 72. We need to bold it. I search here, I bold it rule of 72, and I on the Google search rule of 72. I did that, and what happens is, after doing that, some websites came up. Investopedia, Wikipedia, Sexo, Grow, Wall Street. All of them have the rule of 72. Now, what happens is Google will also consider my data as well because it also has this rule of 72 as a meta tag. So there are chances that my website might also rank on the Google as well with the help of these meta tags. So it's clear, everyone, why create meta tags and how it will help and what things to include in the meta tags. That is what people can search on the Google. That should be included in the meta tags. So nobody will search a political change in 2004. Nobody will search like that. Nobody will search 11.14%. So that's why we remove those words. Nobody will search like broad stability. They can search only the stability word. Nobody will search the meteoric accent. They will search as India stock market, okay, or stock market heritage, like that. They will search like that. Clear? This topic is clear, everyone. Meta tags. Good. I'm going good.
Is there a way that we understand what words to be highlighted?
No, that is not. That's what I just explain you these things. Okay, there is
Okay.
no such rule book like which things to add, which not to, you know, include in the meta tags. There's no such thing. That is your way of thinking.
Okay.
Because see, uh, like somebody says, we do the things to rank our website through the algorithms and all the processes. So that is the thing. That is a part of the practice. So it changes with everyone's mind. Okay, it changes with everyone's thinking. But these are the most important one. Like these are the core. So if you understand the core, you can understand the other things as well. Okay, you have to create it by your own. You have to see like stock exchange is a good word, SEBI is a good word, Harshad Mehta is related to stock market, of course. And it is not like you have to create a meta tag in every line or in every paragraph. If there is no such words that you can highlight, skip that. If there is no such words in the complete two paragraph, skip those as well. But you have to create some paragraph meta tags, and there is no frequency like 10 numbers, 10 words you have to bold, 15 words or 30 words. There is no such like that. It is just a way of doing the things.
So we can have n number of things highlighted in meta tags.
Yeah, but do not highlight it like the complete blog will appear up as a bold.
Right,
Okay.
right.
Yeah. Give it a balance thing. Like 1, 2, 3 we have done, 1 we have done, 2, 3 we have done, only 1, 2 we are done here, only 1 is done here, and there's nothing here. So
Correct.
balancing. Okay. Okay, clear. So let's move to our next point, that is external link. Okay, so external link. Now, what is an external link? Like its name says, external means outside. So external link means the link which is not belonging to us is which doesn't belong to our website. Okay, let me correct it. External link is the link which doesn't belong to our website and we add it on our website. So that is external link because, like, see, uh, let me do it how to add the external link basically. See, then we will see, you will understand better. Okay, so we have the topic here, Indian stock market. So we will not add the link on this point. Okay, we will go to up below and we see here we have the word COVID-19. We have capitalization. We have Harshad Mehta. So we can add on them, but we cannot add on the stock exchange because we are explaining, we are doing the things. Our blog is revolving that thing. So why, how can we add a thing on like that? Okay, so we are doing this Harshad Mehta. So that is a, okay, in external, creating an external link, keep, just take a one meta tag. Okay, you create a meta text, just select a one out of those meta tags and put the link there. Like here, I selected this Harshal Mehta capitalization of COVID-19. Let's suppose I search, go with the COVID-19. Copy the link, copy the word, sorry, copy the word, go to the website, go to the Google, search, you paste it and search with the word Wikipedia. Like I selected the word COVID-19 and then added the word Wikipedia. What happens is we have the first website with the same word, that is COVID-19, not COVID-19 pandemic. We have the same one, COVID-19 Wikipedia website. We open that. We have the some here. We have content here as well. So we will just select the URL. We will select, copy the link, go to our website, go to our blog, sorry, and we have selected the word here COVID-19. Above, we will see this insert link option. This one. Just click on that, paste the link. We have copied from the Wikipedia and click on apply. Now you can see we have here a link done. So that is a external link because Wikipedia is not the website that belongs to us or this website. So that is a external link. So we will always include a one external link from the Wikipedia only, not from other websites. Okay, we will only do a one external link, only add a one external link in a one blog. See, this is our one blog, Indian stock market. So we will add only one link here, not the other link. Okay, not two links or three links because that will be as a spamming. Now, what is the external link is basically, let's understand it. Let's understand it by an example. See, you all know about Amitabh Bachchan?
Yes.
You know about Amitabh Bachchan?
No, sir, we don't
But
know him.
You don't know about Amitabh Bachchan? You are joking with me.
I know only his movie called Silsila.
Silsila.
Yeah.
Okay, you know the actor. That means okay. See, that is a good thing. We should be laughing to keep the entertainment. Good. So I was saying that we all know about Amitabh Bachchan. Okay. So let's pose here. Me, Mohit Kaushik. I am starting a business of the skincare sunscreen. Okay, I launched a sunscreen that says that you will never get the dullness in the sun for the 24 hours. I'm assuring it. I'm a new company, nobody knows about me, nobody knows my name, nobody knows my brand, nothing. So, what are the chances that people will buy that cream? I'm only saying it that yes, it will be going for the 24 hours. You should buy it. How many you think will buy it if there is no past existence of the brand, no past existence of the company? What do you say?
Very less, very few maybe.
Very few men, very less. And why is that so? Because they don't know about if the product will be good, right? They don't know about if it is tested or not because there is no past existence of the company, no information
No
about
trust
the
will be there.
what, John?
No trust on the brand
No
because,
trust on the brand,
yeah.
right? So we have to gain a brand trust. And why is that so? Because skin is a thing that is very sensitive, and face is the first thing that we take care of every day. So we not take the risk with our face. So that's why we need a trust. But let's suppose with the same brand, I go to Amitabh Bachchan. I requested him, like, sir, just see this product, and I want you to create an ad of my product so that people will know about it and they trust with it. So let's suppose now Amitabh Bachchan is doing the advertisement of that product. What do you say? How many will buy now?
Many will buy.
Many will buy. And why is that so? Because
Somebody very credible in the society has told it is a good product.
somebody with the credibility is doing the
He's saying that the
advertising,
product is good.
selling the product. Very good. Okay, that is the thing. Because Amitabh Bachchan has a face value. If something goes wrong with the product, who will be responsible? Amitabh Bachchan. People will go to on strike, so people will go to the court, like because celebrity is doing the promotion. So how can he do that if something is wrong with the product, right? So that is the same case here, that people trust the celebrities, people trust the face value. So if there is a face value, they see like, yes, this product will be trustable, we can go for this. That is the case. Same is here. What is, we are creating a new website, we have a complete new website, we have no past existence, so we have no blogs earlier. So what happens is, how can Google trust us? Google will not trust us if the content is good or not, because Google, we just give the content to the Google. Google doesn't know if it is correct or not, because our AI is working behind. If we are giving a content, if it is credible, he sees it as a trustworthy, authentic, he will just go it live. We can just directly go in on the live. So here, what happens is, we are on the Google, but we need to make the Google trust on us. And to do that, we have this website, Wikipedia. Now, Wikipedia is from a very long time on the Google. Google knows about Wikipedia. Everybody knows about Wikipedia. So what we did is, we take a word from here, like COVID-19. We search on the Google with the word Wikipedia up along with that, and we have the website of Wikipedia with the same word, means with the same content. We have the website. We take the link from here, we go here, we add the link on that word and click on apply. So we have added the link. So what happens is, crawler, okay, the crawler that I said you, right, comes on our website, fetches the data, he sees that meta tags are here, then the crawler sees, yes, there is a external link as well, like how can I trust it? So he just go down and see, yes, there is an external link. He follows the link, and he, sorry, it, not he, that's my mistake, sorry. So it reaches to the it clicks, it goes read, it directs to the website Wikipedia, and it goes to the website Wikipedia and sees, oh, there is a Wikipedia website with them. There is a link from the website of Wikipedia. So that is a trustable, because Wikipedia is trustable. That is the case. Same like with the celebrity endorsement, like an Amitabh Bachchan. So here you can say Wikipedia is our Amitabh Bachchan. Okay. Clear external link, guys? It's clear? Thumbs up or thin?
Yes, Mohit.
Very good. So we only had one link in a one blog. And why that so? Because let's suppose you are doing the Amitabh Bachchan is doing the advertisement of the sunscreen. Now some other person also comes up, some other celebrity also come, he is doing that, other than other, so many are doing this. People will see, yeah, what is in the product, like every celebrity is doing that. If is it even good or not? So you will only find a doubt. A doubt will come up in your mind at a one time. So that is why we only add a one external link, not two or many. Okay, to give the authenticity. Yes, we are good. We are authentic. We are trustable. Clear? And with that, we have two practices done. One is meta tag. Second is external link. Clear? Everyone, both? Thumbs up, yes, no,
Sir,
yes.
sir, every creator was once a unknown person only, no?
So your question is not audible, clearly understandable to me. Please repeat.
Sir, but every creator was a unknown face only, no? Initially.
Yeah, every creator is a unknown face, so that's why what they do is they keep posting, they find the other creators, they go to other creators as well, they create the reels, they create the videos with the other creators as well. So that is what we are doing. We have the other creator is Wikipedia here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now the last thing that we will do here is adding the photos. Our blog is here. This should also look good, like people should be finding more interest here. So we will add the pictures in it, and to add the pictures we go to the Google, we search here stock market, the topic that we have, and go to the new here images. We have like that all the images. Just see this one I have taken, download this, like say right click and save images png. Always click on right click and click on save images png, the blue one that I have added the extension. Save it, come to the blog. Here after the two paragraph first introduction, let's add the image here. So what I did is I just entered at the last and we have it here. Go to above, you will see this insert image, okay, this option. Click on that, click on upload from computer. We have this image, select that. We have that one here. Done. Image is here. We can add one more image as well. Okay, when we are adding the image, add two or more images. Like here. Okay, see here we can add to as stock exchange we have, rule of 72, NSC and BSC we have. So we can add the image of NSC and BSC. NSC, BSC. I search, go to the image, and we have one here. See this one, the first one we taken, but here you can see a logo is there. A logo of the other website. The NSC and BSC is good because they are the stock exchange, their logo is good. But this one logo is from the other's website, so we will not take this one. Or we crop this one. Okay. Make sure the image you add are free from any of the watermark and free from the blurriness, means they are in the high quality. So this one we can take, yes, good to go. Just right click and save images png. Go to the here at the end or in the starting we can add. Let's suppose at the end I'm adding as insert image. Click on upload from computer, select the image, click on open. And we have that one here. Clear everyone how to add the images? Everything's clear here?
If you could just repeat it again.
Yeah, sure. See, let's add up one more image here. And I go to this one, stock exchange. So stock market, and we have this one image, but this has a logo, so I will not go for this one. I will go back and see more images here. See, here we have this image, and you can see this is the one. I will just right click on that and click on save image as png. After that, we have the image, click on save. The image is saved, go to the docs. So the one where you want to add, just enter there and click on insert image. Upload from computer, select the image, open that. Clear? Simple. We have the images.
So are we adding these images for SEO purpose?
No, basically this is not an SEO purpose. It is just for the improvement of the blog thing.
Article to look
Yeah.
better.
Okay. We have done the things with the meta tags and external links. That was in the SEO part. Now it is only for the thing. Looking good. And see, Avnesh was saying something like, "Sir, the way we have site to remove background, the way we have the searching on net to improve the quality of the images. Yes, Avnesh, for improving the quality of the images in Canva, we have done the image upscaler, right? So you can opt to that, like just download the image, go to Canva and increase the quality there and download that. Okay. See, Sai, you have written a big one. Just keep it, and I will, see this doubt at the end as well. Okay, just ask it at the end, please. A small doubt, if it comes in between, I can take, but not the long ones. So yes, it's clear, everyone, how to add the images as well.
Yes.
Good. So we are done with the block. We have added the things, we have added the meta tags, we have added the link, we have added the images. Our next part is to publish it. Okay, we need to publish this blog. And to publish it, wondering how one external link will improve SEO. Murthy, how only Amitabh Bachchan can improve the quality of improve the sales of the brand. Just see this example, okay? That is the case.
That's right. His face is known, but anybody can put a link quoting Wikipedia. I mean, that's my question.
Wikipedia is on the internet since 90s.
Fine.
And internet comes also in the 90s.
Okay.
So both are related. On the Google, on the search engine, they knows about the Wikipedia from its very starting days.
No, that's not correct. Wikipedia is a trusted, source that is trusted. But anybody can put this link. I mean, that's what I'm just
Everybody
wondering.
can put. It is open for all. These are the practices, basically. These are not such rule book that you can read out from somewhere on the Google or from things. These are the practices that are done by the people. Okay, and if they happened, that's why they have given to others people and said to, like, if you do these things, it will happen like that. Okay.
So that, like Wikipedia, I mean, there can be some other known maybe websites or known products around the world. I mean, some
Yeah,
links can be given, right?
you added the link of the website, Wikipedia, right?
Yes.
Can I add something, Mohit? Can I
Yes.
add? So I think if, let's say, if our link of our blog link has been hyperlinked in moneycontrol.com. Let's say if Mohit's blog is hyperlinked in a moneycontrol.com. Moneycontrol.com is a very popular website.
Yeah, money
That means that way, I think the population or the search will grow for his blog as well, along with money control. I think that's one of the explanations I have.
That is different. Actually, this is
That is a different. But if I just give
contradicting
me a minute,
scenario.
just
See,
give
if
me a minute.
money control puts this link, that is a different one.
Guys, can I say something?
Yeah, please.
Can I say something? I got your doubt, but you're not allowing me to say. Okay?
Yeah, please go ahead.
What I was saying is, see, you have a doubt like why add the Wikipedia's link?
No, that's not my question. By adding Wikipedia, how this improves our blog? I mean, improves the quality of the blog, or
are you in the business or something?
No, I'm not. I'm not in the business, but I'm
What
not
are you doing
convinced.
basically?
I'm not convinced that with keeping a link with.
Please. I am trying to explain you something, and if I am asking something, but just a thing like if you have business, I can take example from that. Like, what are you doing right now?
No, I'm not in business.
Are you in the job? Are you working?
No, I'm not working. Also, I've retired. I'm not working.
Okay.
I want to do freelancing. That's why I joined this course.
Okay, and that is not my case actually. What I was trying is, if you have business, I can take example from that, and that's why I asked. Okay. Okay, so let me take it like how it will do. See, Uh, Wikipedia has a face value. You agree with that?
Absolutely, yes.
Okay. So let's suppose if Wikipedia says something, will you trust that?
Of course, yes.
Why is that so?
If Wikipedia says, I'm going to trust that. But
Why is that so? Why?
that has gained reputation over the years.
That has gained reputation over the years, right?
Yeah.
We have no reputation right now.
Yes.
So what we did is we just added the Wikipedia's link.
Yes.
Then crawler comes on our website. It sees that a reputed website is with them. So Wikipedia has a reputation, and in terms of SEO, search engine optimization, it says as a term domain authority, means a score from out of 100. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Every website gets a score out of 100.
Okay.
And Wikipedia score is 94 or 96, between ranging between that.
Okay.
Not remembering it correctly.
Uh-huh.
So if some website is getting a domain authority score of approx 90s even, okay,
Yes.
so that is a big deal. And why is that so? Because Google has a website, Google has a platform, Google Sites, if you can write it down as well if you wanted to. Google Sites, and Google Sites, even Google's website score is 99, not 100.
Okay.
Okay. So what happens is we take out the link, we edit that here, crawler sees that and it sees like yes, it has a reputed website with a score of 9 above 90s and 94. So this website's value, okay, a value is there. So this website value, SEO value, you can say, also comes to our website as well. And how it comes is I cannot explain. And why is that so? Because that is an internal process done by the crawler itself as an AI part. Okay.
Okay.
Now I think now you understand that. Like we gain the SEO value of some others website, their
Mm-hmm.
score also reaches to us. Like you can say if there is a student, we have two students.
I think the algorithm may be like that, maybe.
Yeah, algorithm.
Yeah.
Okay, like if there are two students in a class, one is of the 90s score and one of the 40s scores.
Okay.
And if we sit them together, what will happen? The 40s one improve
Yeah. The same
because
logic.
its friendship changed, its network changed with the 90s one. Its mind will change eventually, right?
Yeah. At least
So
it's
that is the
expected.
case
Yeah.
here.
Okay.
Okay, got my point now?
Yeah. Yeah. I think you are, I agree because based on experience, I think you are telling that. I agree to that point, but just I wanted to get more details on that. That's all.
Okay. See, for that, you can search on the Google as well. Okay. And
Okay.
if you find some doubts regarding that again, even after this 1 month program, okay, you can
Okay.
say even after 2 years, you can reach out to me as well.
Okay. Well,
Okay,
that's
that's
nice.
for the all. Like we
Yeah.
give a validity to all. We give a promise
Yeah.
that is even after 2 years, if you face even after 5 years, okay, for the lifetime, if you face
Okay.
any difficulty in all the things that we teach or anything related to this or anybody anything else, you can reach out to us. We will be there to help you out.
Yeah, that's so nice of you there. That's wonderful. Just I want to get more details on, how
Yeah,
it
yeah.
improves
You
that.
can
Thank
connect
you.
with me as well. Okay,
Thank you.
for
Thank
that
you so
one.
much. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so I think we should move ahead now. Okay, it's the time. Okay, so see, our next point was to publish those blogs. Like we have created this one, we need to publish it, and to publish it, we need to create a website. And to create a website, we have a free platform that is Blogger. Okay, Blogger, 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 and blogger.com. You will see the first one. Just open that, and when you open that, it will ask you to create it. So I have already created one. Let me go to a new website so that you understand more. Okay, new. Yes, this one I have. We haven't created anything on that. Okay, so I search here blogger. Okay, what happened here? Okay, see blogger, and just give it a minute. It's verification, but this is not mine website. Okay, okay. Let's see if something is here or not. See, when I clicked on the blogger, yes, good one. This one is good to go. Here we have, see, we search blogger, and when we search blogger, we will see the website blogger.com like this one. Okay, and just click on that. After clicking it, this interface will open up. So in the center, you will see create your blog. Just click on that. It will ask you for your mail verification. I mean, if you have this account or not, Google one, like this one. So I clicked on my account. Yes. Now the first thing it asks you, choose a name for your blog. And the title means I have to write here the name of my blog. Blog name is not this one. Okay, remember this, guys, that blog name is not this one, the Indian stock market. Blog name is your website name. Like Wikipedia is a name, Digital Dronacharya is a name, or you can say T3M Academy that I told you about is a name, and you can say Investopedia is a name, Policy Bazaar is a name, right? In the Policy Bazaar, we have like insurance, we have life insurance and all. So these are the subtopics, but we need a website name. So here we can add a website name, and to search for the website name, we can take the help out from the chat GPT. Okay, we can ask the chat GPT that to suggest some names for our blog website. Like how? See, here we can give it to give the name ideas for my blog website, and on that I will share the things related to finance, finance, travel, technology, lifestyle, health, we can say, and much more. Okay, simple. We can also get our name in the blog as well, on the website as well. So to add that, you can just say my name is Koshi. Okay, the one name you have want. I can just copy this and give it to you all as well. You can also paste it, like change the name and just enter, and we will be having the names of the blog website. Just a second to me. Yes. So see, here we have the name ideas. That is, first is Mohit Kaushik, that is my name. So of course we will not go with that. Next is Mohit Edit, means the edits from my side, Mohit Verse, Kaushik Chronicles, the Kaushik Journal, Mohit's World, and we have Kaushik Klee, okay, Mohitify, and we have Mohit Mind, we have Mohit 360, and below we have more names, that is Mohit Edit. Like it says, if you want a premium style brand name, so these are the premium style, if it says, but that is not like that. If you like a name, that can comes under the any of the category. Okay, just select it. Like here, the Kaushik Journal, or if you don't find any name good, you can just type it to I didn't like the names, give me something new and different. Okay, simple. And you will get more name here. So we have the more names here. Also, you can see now we have the names other than my name as well. Okay, the curious side, beyond the obvious, and all and all. So always remember you are giving the name for your website that is related to the blog writing. So your name is related to the writing. That is crawl worthy. That is a good name. And this wait what, that is not a good. I didn't like. Okay, like what is this? So we find a name here. Like let's take a name, and to choose a name, how to choose a name? Let me show you. See, this is a name. Let's suppose we choose. We find good. So what you have to do to select it, just copy the name, go to Google, paste it there, search. Okay, we search the name, and when we search the name, you can see we have the first thing from the Instagram, that is the curious side, the same name we have. Facebook we have, and the other the curious side we have. Okay, so we will not choose a name that is already existed on the Google, because if we choose the same name, that will give and that will create the confusion between the users. So we will go to other name. Let's suppose this one, Mohit Edit. I just copy this, go to Google and search. And with that, you can see the Mohit Jan, Mohit X Edit is there, Mohit Edits is also there, Mohit Edits tutorial videos, Mohit Edit is also there, Mohit Editing. So I will not go with this one either. Okay, clear? And if I go with the next one, that is Kaushikli. Let's pause, go to Google, paste it there. Sorry, yes. And I searched it. You can see Kaushik with the name Kaushikli, Kaushiki Chaturvati is there, but Kaushikli is not nowhere. Kaushiki, not Kaushikli. So in that case, like you can see with this correct word, nothing is there. So that is a good name. We can take this out, and we can also write it here. If it goes good on, like Kaushikli writes. I did search, and you can see it is also blank. Means nothing with the same name is there. Good one. We can just take it. We can go to our blogger website, and where it was, yes, this one. We can paste it there with the first word capital of the both. Good one, everyone. Is it clear how to select the name, how to search on the Google with the name? Easy steps are there. Good. Let's see. So just paste the name, click on next, and it says choose a URL for your name. So here you address, it says just write the same name, but here remove all the space and the capital words, because it is a URL. The above URL, you can say it is your blog, your website URL. So Kaushikli writes without space, without any letters, without any numbers, without any special letters, that is at the rate or alpha, anything else. Good. It says the blog is available, but let's suppose we choose a name. Okay, that is not available on the Google, but here if we write the address, it says like this one. This address is not available. So what you have to do is, in that case, you can choose it to the word the digitally bullet, and you can see the blog address is available. So you can take it out. But if you search in the Google digitally bullet, and you have see the websites are here, the first website is here, so you cannot take this name. Okay, we have to choose the name which are not available on the, which are not, you know, which we cannot see on the Google. Like here, digitally bullet we can see, but so we will not take this one. But Kaushikli one, we cannot see there, so that's why we have taken this. And we just click on the next option. Last thing, it will ask you your display name. Display name is the author name, that is your name. So here I will write my own name. Done. And the last thing is click on the finish option, And after clicking on the finish option, your website will be created, and your website will look like this one. Just a second. Yes, exactly like this one it will look like. No difference will be there. Clear, everyone? See, Sai, if you are going with the script writing or a film production house, anything like that, I think you need to keep that private, because if you post the scripts, anybody can take it out, right? Anybody can duplicate it. If you, let's suppose you written a script and you haven't made the film on that, you haven't made anything on that, I can just copy that one and I go with that one, publishing, and you cannot do anything. Your idea will be, copied, cheated one, you can say. So the last thing is how to publish it. So to publish the blog here, next is click on left hand side. You see the post option. In that post, above that you will see the new post. So click on the new post and just add the blog here. And where to add, how to add? Just go to the Google Docs. Okay, and in the Google Docs we have added all the things. At the end, I have added 2-3 things, so I need to remove them. Yes, I added this one just to show you. So yes, done. So how to do that? Just press the Control A button after clicking, and it is all selected. Every full blog is selected. Just press Control C to copy it. Go to Blogger, paste it there, and to paste it, paste with Control V. Okay, because we want the same outline, we want the same something here. We want everything here same. So we paste it with Control V, not with Control Shift plus V. And here above, we have this title. We just cut it and paste it in the title above here. Okay, not here. Clear, everyone? The image is here, but is not loading up. It will load up. It was due to some network issue, maybe. Okay, it will load up. And if you can see here, it is saved, auto saved. Okay, and if you can just go to back on with that option, you can see it is in the draft. And if you just click it again, you will see it is here. The full blog is here. If it is completed, just click on the publish option, click on confirm, and your blog is published. So done, everyone?
I have a doubt, Mohit.
Yes.
Can we do MS Word file also like this and do instead of Google Doc?
Yeah. If you have a MS Word file, basically Google Docs is a thing where you write up your blog and keep it to saved. Okay. In MS Word, what happens is, let's suppose if you haven't saved the file and your laptop got shut down immediately, the file will gone up. Right.
Okay.
Google
The
Doc
data
is something where everything is saved, auto saved every minute.
Okay. Data loss is not there.
Yeah. Also, let's suppose you have 100 of files in your laptop of the MS Word. You have written 100 blogs, and suddenly the motherboard just break down. Your entire laptop goes away. No data you can retrieve, right?
But
It
my
goes
data
away.
is not privacy if I put it in Google Docs.
But yeah. Google Docs, it is private, no? Nobody can see it on the Google Docs.
It's in the cloud now anyway. Somebody can.
But see, Google has every access of our device. Okay. Google is also hearing us talking like that.
So nothing is privacy.
Nothing is private. It is just Google is not misusing it. It is just under your email address. You can just say, and apart from you, those who doesn't, let's suppose if you give your email access to me, then I can access. Otherwise, I don't.
Okay.
Okay. So we have published our first blog, everyone. Congratulations to all. So here, see, after publishing, if you want to see it, on the left hand side, just scroll and you will see the option of view blog. Click on that. You will see the here it is Mohit Beyond Thoughts. Basically, it is the earlier website that I have created, and you can see the first blog we have here, this one, and you can just click on read more. You can read the full blog like that. Clear? And if you wanted to send it to someone, above you have the link. Okay, just copy that link, paste it here, paste it to anywhere, and send it. Everybody can send it. See it. But see one more thing. I have clicked on the view blog. Then I selected the blog and then saw. Not like I just opened this one from the back end and just select this one. That nobody cannot see because that one is a back end. Only you can see this interface. If you are on this interface, yes, this one, then you can just send it the link. Clear? Just say thumbs up, yes, no.
So on bloggers website, we can see our blog.
Yeah, on Blogger website, you can see your blog. Okay, after clicking on view blog.
Yes, sir. And
Yes.
for image also, we can give the external link, sir.
What, ma'am?
For COVID, how we have given the external link like Wikipedia. For image also, we can tag a link.
No, link we don't add for the image. We add the image directly.
No. If we click on that image, it will go to any website like in HTML. We used to have like that in the.
No, nothing like that. Okay,
If
no
we click on the
HTML and
image,
no coding you have to do, nothing at all. Basically, Blogger is this
yes.
platform. Okay, Blogger is a platform from the Google itself. Okay, you just add the web images and all. You will above find all the other options just like the Google Docs and MS Word as well to write out the things like paragraph, bold, italics, color, link, and image. Okay, it is just you have to do the things here. Backend process will be done by these websites, all the coding parts and all. You don't have to do anything.
Yes, we are clicking the COVID word. That link goes to the web page, Wikipedia. Now,
Yeah.
if we click any image, like you added the stock image, market image.
Yeah.
So if we click that stock market image, can we add the link to this image so that it will take to another website?
Yeah,
That's
it
my
can,
doubt.
but why you want to click, add a thing like that?
Okay. If we can, is it possible?
Yeah, it's possible. Just click on the image above. You can see the link option.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So,
Sir, is there, sir,
yes.
is there any technique so that I can popularize my blog like this? Or
I
whenever
gave you the
anyone.
techniques about the meta tags and external link, na? That is why it was for. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So, sir, suppose anyone is searching in the Google related to these topics and my blog comes up in the first or second page. Is it possible, sir, or otherwise I have to send the link to my
It is
whatever?
possible. That is possible with the techniques, but it takes time. Okay. See, SEO is a practice which goes on for a longer time. But if it happens, like if I can show you, see, this is a website. Okay, when I search digitally bullion, it appears on the first of the Google, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is my website, and if I open that, I can show you like the blog was written here 18th May 2025, earlier 11th May, and then 10th May. And if I load more, you can see if I explain you 9th May, before 2025, it was last on April 9, 2023. You see, I worked on the website back to 3 years ago. Okay,
yes, sir.
last, because 3-4 blogs will not do any change on the website. basically the good work I done there was on the 3 years ago, and still my website is appearing on the website with the first result. Why is that so? Because I have done a lot of SEO practices on that. I have written a lot of blogs, meta tags, external link, everything I have added. And also other practices we also need to do, that is off page means backlinks we have to create. But the thing is I cannot explain everything here because of the time constraint. So I gave you the brief. If you go with these practices, the one I shared, that will also make your blog rank up.
Yes, sir. Let us know, sir.
Yes.
How to add those external links like this.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Done. So see, the topic is covered here. It is completed about the publishing the blog and the writing the blog. So your homework is, everyone, that is you have to write a blog and you have to publish the blog on the Blogger. Okay, and to share the link, you have to share the link of this blog website so that I can see, or everybody can see, what have you done with the blogger. Okay, have you created anything or not? That is your homework. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me take two doubts here. That is, if my goal isn't about any topic like everyday topic, and still I need something to publish publicly, what should be mine to be published apart from filmmaking or idea of my script? See, Sai, if you wanted to publish publicly anything, for that I have shared these topics now about digital marketing and all. Okay, you have to go with them because nobody has, not everyone can write something by their own. So that is why we go with these things. And with that, after some time, if you have blogs written up, you can just apply for the Google AdSense as well if you wanted to go further. And with that, you can earn money as well. And Gayatri is there.
Sir, yesterday's recording and today's you will get it tomorrow.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I leave the meeting? I have another online session.
Yes, sure.
Okay. Thank you, Mohit. See you tomorrow.
So Mohit, for today's as well as yesterday's video will be shared tomorrow, right?
Yes, you will get the recording tomorrow. But just let me read out the doubt here from the Gayatri. That is, to advertise a blog, I mean, should we do it ourselves through friends, Facebook, etc.? Is there any other way? No, Gayatri, and that is the only way that you have shared. That you need to do it by sharing it to the friends, social media, and all. And you can also do it like the practices that I have shared. With that, it will be helpful in the long term. Okay, and Yogita want to say something?
Yeah, what I wanted to ask is you mentioned something like crawlers, which have the information about our website, our meta words, and the full details of the website. You said
Right.
two buckets. So if at all, so today I have a website in case, and say I modify it or I change it into some other hosting platform or something. So
Yes.
does the whole SEO needs to be done again, and the whole
If the name and the domain remains the same,
okay.
you don't need to do anything.
Okay, if the domain is same, it can be anywhere, any hosting, because
anywhere, any host.
Okay, so
Because
there's no specific path like which is defined, and then it just go like the whole history
you can
goes
just go
off, and then the
directly.
website falls behind. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा ना?
नहीं. Okay, you just say, let's suppose, see, I am Mohit Kaushik, right?
Yeah.
So I am working with Digital Dronacharya and MSME. Everybody knows about me. Let's suppose T3M Academy is there, or another venture. So let's separate it for an example. So Digital Dronacharya and T3M are different one. So earlier I was working with the Digital Dronacharya. Now I shifted it to T3M Academy. Now I am working with T3M Academy.
Okay.
So will my name disappeared, or it will remain same to the people?
It will remain same to the people, but does on the web, say if Google search happens, है ना? तो
it is the
Mohit
same
को,
thing.
okay,
It is
it
the
will
same
not
thing.
affect whatever we do, है ना?
Yeah, it will not affect.
Organically जो build हुआ है वो ये नहीं होगा.
जो ऑर्गेनिकली बिल्ड हुआ है वो लॉन्ग टर्म चलने वाला है आपका.
अच्छा.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much.
And most welcome. Nelima, you can please refer to the part of the recordings, because the published part is, see, I cannot tell the complete how to create the website and publish it. Okay, just see the recordings, and if you still face the doubt, you can ask me then. Yes, Avnesh? So my question is regarding content writing. Content writing site you shown yesterday will help us to write properly, correct it, or rectify or improve our prompt. See, the website that I have shared yesterday, they help you to write the content basically. Let's suppose if you're writing the content and you're writing it by your own, that is good to go without any website. Okay, but if you don't know how to write the content, what to write it, so that is why I shared those websites, because with that you will save the time. Okay, let's suppose you wanted to write about the insurance. You know about insurance, so you're writing it by your own. But you can go to the Google, you can just copy the content, paste on those website. It will give you the content, change the sentences and words. So your time will be saved in that case. Okay. Prompt. Prompt means like which prompt? What do you want to say? No AI prompt is there, no. You are just doing it manually with the Google or this websites. No AI prompt needed here. That are good to go because they are already ranking on the Google. That means the data is already good. Got my point? Okay, so let's wrap the session, everyone. So for wrapping, just give me the feedback for the today's session, everyone. How's the today's class?
Good, sir.
Thank you, Aruna. What about others? Are you not able to find it good or anything?
Even Saturday there was a class, sir. Saturday
No.
and Sunday.
Monday to Friday class is there.
Monday to Friday. Okay.
Yes.
I've seen the recording, so okay. Yes, Fridays.
Okay, Mohit, one question here. So we have uploaded our blog. I mean, we have published our blog on blogger.com, right? So how important it is, whether it is blogger or we should have our own domain? Just wanted to.
How you add the domain basically?
No. I mean, the organic search on Blogger. How will that happen, or is it?
That will happen. That will happen. You don't need to buy the domain and all, because we are using the Blogspot's domain. Okay, and that is free to use because we are using their name as well. We are giving our name as well. But if someone opens a website, the first they see is not the URL, they see the website inside it. Okay, so that is not a problem. But if you're going for a longer term, you can buy the domain and then connect it. That will also not a problem in the SEO because the name is same. Let's suppose earlier it was let's suppose mohitedit.blogspot.com, and now it is mohitedit.com, but the name is same now. Only the subdomain means the back side is changed, so that will not do any changes.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so thank you so much,
So
everyone.
I just want to refer to today's video as well as yesterday's. So just, I mean, if we can have that videos for yesterday and today, tomorrow, I think that will be good.
Yes. And Sai, there was a question that my meaning is that even Amitabh Bachchan was an unknown face, and before him were also many actors and actresses were unknown phase, and before filmmaking and creative writing established, what was the origin first of all? See, Sai, you are going very depth and all. I just gave you the details like how to write the content, what is the thing. I took the example of Amitabh Bachchan as a celebrity to show you something, to explain you something. But that is not the thing. Like we should go with the origin of first of all. Okay, you cannot explain who created the content writing part, who created the word content writing. I think you are getting my point. What I wanted to say. And why should one depend on the one who is established first and then known after? See, we are not depending on them. We are just taking their favor. We are just taking their help. Okay, like uh, you are taking the help of your mother. Like if you have kids, they are taking the help of you. That is not a thing of depending. I think you got my point here. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. See you all tomorrow. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.